Now we are going to move this prompt into Midjourney. If you do not have Midjourney yet, I highly advise you to do it. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I think this gives you the best results. I'm going to show you a version of ChatGPT as well if you don't want to use Midjourney. And in order to set up your Midjourney account, I mentioned in the last video how to do it, but I'm going to leave you a step-by-step written guide under this video, mentioning all the steps that you need to take in order to get to this point where we are right here. So after you set up your Midjourney account, you are going to open your Discord and you're gonna go to direct messages, and from the direct messages, you're gonna go to the Midjourney direct messages bot. And this is where everything is going to happen. So we copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave us for the style that we want to create. And in order to create the image, you'll have to enter a dash. So you have to go here and enter a dash, and then you go to imagine. And you're gonna click on imagine. And now this section is gonna happen. It's gonna get imagine and prompt. And this is where you're gonna paste your prompt. So we pasted the prompt that we got from ChatGPT after we asked him the questions. And I really wanna see what style ChatGPT thought that would be the best in order for us to create this Charles Manson story. I'm using the fast mode. You can also use the relax mode. This will consume more fast hours for Midjourney. So let's just see. Again, this is not going to be the final image, but this will just be a reference style. I do like this kind of style. I think this is great, actually. I usually go through at least 5 or 6 prompts most of the times. But this time ChatGPT really knew what I want and it nailed it very well. So I'm very happy with this style. I think we're going to continue using this style for this story. Yeah, perfect.